Is your iPhone not turning on while it's charging? You're not alone, and today we'll explore the possible reasons and solutions. Let's first consider some common reasons this could happen, such as hardware failures or software glitches. Start by inspecting your charging equipment. Make sure your cable and adapter are working properly. Next, try a different power source. Placing your iPhone into another outlet or USB port can make a difference. If the above doesn't work, let's force restart your iPhone. Here's how. Press and hold the side button along with the volume up button until you see the Apple logo. Don't forget to inspect the charging port. Sometimes, cleaning debris and lint from the port can resolve charging issues. If necessary, you can also try using recovery mode. Here's how to enter it and what to expect during the process. If none of these solutions work, it may be time to seek professional help. Visit your local Apple store or an authorized repair service. To prevent future issues, keep your charging equipment in good condition and regularly clean your iPhone's charging port. To recap, we've covered many fixes for your iPhone not turning on while charging. We encourage you to try these solutions and take action.